Strawberry smoothie. I had some strawberries and I wanted to do something with them. So yeah, beautiful strawberries. So I'm making a smoothie. This is actually plain yogurt. You can actually use Greek yogurt. So the plain yogurt has some sweetness to it. I'm gonna add in my strawberries and some lime juice. You can definitely use lemon juice if you have it. Then this is some vanilla extract. In case you miss it, yes, vanilla extract. I'm just gonna just put a measuring spoon. And if you're from the Caribbean, you know about Angostura bitters. You add it into soups, alcoholic drinks, and also sauces. So I just added 3 dashes of it. I'm adding now some sugar. You really don't need the sugar if you're using plain yogurt. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, it's beautiful pink smoothie in my very expensive mason jar that I got from Dollar Tree. Yeah, very expensive. Can't sleep on Dollar Tree at all. There you have it, pink deliciousness. And every drink deserves a nice garnish. Strawberry. I personally cut it up myself. And of course a fancy straw, a pink straw. Very fancy. Yeah, I'm really not stirring anything. I'm just playing in my drink as per usual. A beautiful shot of it, another shot of it, and another shot. Yeah. So while you're reading the ingredients, I'm sipping on my second one. Beautiful. Such deliciousness. And there you have it. Yum. And thanks for watching.